Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery above 20%, a stable Wi-Fi connection, and a quick backup of contacts. Once done, open Settings and tap Network and Internet. This is where carrier features live. Make sure you know your Infinix model and Android version because menu names vary slightly. Then tap Mobile Network, select the SIM slot used for calls, and look for Advanced or Enhanced calls. These first steps prepare you to find the Volte toggle quickly and safely. Now continue by selecting the correct SIM card inside Mobile Network. You must target the slot with active voice service. Once selected, tap Enhanced Calls, Volte, or Advanced Calling. Menu labels differ by firmware. If you see a Volte preference, toggle it off and wait for the network indicator to change. This disconnects the voice over LTE service. Make sure to restart the phone app or reboot the device if the carrier still shows Volte, because some settings only apply after a reboot. Finish by rebooting your Infinix to ensure the carrier recognizes the new setting. This often clears the Volte icon from the status bar. After restart, place a test call to verify voice uses 3G or 2G instead of LTE. If Volte remains active, reset network settings from System right arrow reset options. This clears SIM and carrier caches without erasing personal data. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Some providers force Volte on.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.